What's up, everyone? Today, I'm revealing the 3 best ways students can make real money online in 2025. Completely free to start. No credit card, no savings, just your phone or computer and some hustle. Forget those buy my course scams. These are legit, proven strategies for students who want extra cash without asking for it. I've seen people go from 0 to hundreds, even thousands a month using these methods. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but if you put in the work, it's 100% possible. Stick around for a bonus tip at the end that could out-earn all 3 methods combined. Let's dive in. First up, freelancing. It's a fantastic way to earn money, build your resume, and gain valuable experience, all on your own terms. Anyone can do it, starting today. The barrier to entry is incredibly low, and the potential rewards are significant. Think you have no skills? Think again. Everyone has something to offer. If you can write, design, even just a little bit, or even post on social media, curating content and engaging with an audience, you can get paid. There are businesses and individuals out there who need your skills, no matter how basic you think they are. Sites like Fiverr and Upwork are packed with people looking for help with simple tasks. These platforms connect freelancers with clients from all over the world. Businesses have more money than time. They're often willing to outsource tasks to free up their employees for more important work. They'll pay you $20, $50, even $100 for things you already know how to do. Think about that. Skills you already possess can translate directly into income. Start by creating a free account on Fiverr. It's a simple process that only takes a few minutes. Offer something simple, something you can deliver quickly and efficiently. Proofreading, logo design, even basic tasks like data entry, or removing backgrounds from images. These are all services that are in high demand. Your first goal? Get that first 5-star review. It's crucial for building credibility. It's your ticket to more clients. Positive reviews demonstrate your reliability and quality of work. Don't overthink it. Launch your gig, even if it's not perfect. You can always refine it later based on feedback. Use a clear photo and a friendly, honest description. Let potential clients know who you are and what you offer. Say you're a student hustling for experience. People respect that. Transparency and authenticity can go a long way. Leverage your school skills. The things you're learning in your classes can be directly applied to freelance work. Market research, coding, editing, these are all valuable skills that are in demand in the freelance marketplace. Whatever you're already doing for class, turn your homework into a side hustle. The key is action. Don't wait for the perfect moment, just start. Procrastination is the enemy of progress. Be super responsive. Communication is key to building trust with your clients. Fast replies set you apart and boost your chances of getting hired. Clients appreciate prompt and efficient communication. As you rack up reviews, raise your prices and add extras, reflecting the value you bring to your clients, like faster delivery or bonus work. These add-ons can increase your earnings and attract more clients. I've seen students pay for entire semesters just by freelancing on the side. It's a real and tangible way to fund your education. If your first gig flops, try another. Don't get discouraged by initial setbacks. The only way to fail is not to try. Persistence and determination are essential for success in freelancing. Recap: sign up, offer a simple service, get your first review, be responsive, and scale up. Turn your side hustle into a thriving business. This is the fastest, most realistic way to make money online with 0 investment. It's a low-risk, high-reward opportunity. Ready for the next method? This one's for the academic all-stars, but anyone can learn it. All right, let's dive into method number 2, online tutoring. This is a fantastic way to leverage your academic strengths and turn them into a profitable venture. If you consistently ace your classes and demonstrate a strong understanding of the material, you possess a valuable asset that others are willing to pay for. The reality is, there are tons of students out there struggling in subjects that you find relatively easy or even enjoyable. Math, science, writing, whatever your forte, someone needs help. And their parents, or even the students themselves, are often willing to pay for quality assistance to improve their grades and understanding. It's an investment in their future. Fortunately, numerous online platforms exist to connect tutors with students, making the process incredibly convenient. Consider platforms like Chegg Tutors, a well-known and reputable option, and tutor.com, another established platform with a wide reach and a diverse range of subjects offered. These platforms connect you with students actively seeking help in the areas where you have expertise. You can tutor from the comfort of your own home, setting your own hours and working around your schedule. The barrier to entry is quite low. All you really need is a solid and reliable internet connection to facilitate video calls and online communication, and of course, a genuine willingness to help others succeed. To attract students, you need to make your profile stand out from the crowd. Start with a friendly and professional-looking photo. Avoid blurry or unprofessional images. A clear headshot is ideal. Craft a compelling bio that showcases your passion for the subject matter and highlights the positive results you've helped other students achieve. Quantify your successes whenever possible. Be sure to list your academic achievements prominently. Include your top grades, impressive test scores, and any relevant academic awards or recognitions you've received. Basically, anything that provides concrete evidence that you genuinely know your stuff and are qualified to help others. Consider offering a free introductory session to build trust with potential students and demonstrate the value you can provide. This allows them to experience your teaching style firsthand. When setting your rate, be mindful of the market. A good starting point is around $15 to $20 per hour, and then gradually raise it as you accumulate positive reviews and build a strong reputation. Even dedicating just 5 hours a week to tutoring could potentially earn you an extra $500 a month. And the best part is, you have complete control over your own schedule and can work around your classes and other commitments. Remember to be patient and empathetic with your students. Everyone learns at a different pace. Break down complex concepts into simpler, more digestible terms, use relatable analogies to aid understanding, and strive to make the learning process enjoyable and engaging. Positive word-of-mouth referrals and glowing reviews will be your best marketing tools, bringing you a steady stream of new students. And don't limit yourself to just the big, well-known platforms. Actively advertise your services in your school's Facebook group, on other social media platforms, or even through local community bulletin boards. If you consistently perform well in school, you're essentially sitting on a goldmine of untapped potential. It's time to cash in on that knowledge and turn it into a valuable income stream. Take the initiative to sign up on a tutoring platform, dedicate time to creating a killer profile that truly showcases your strengths, and start earning money for the knowledge and skills you already possess. It's a win-win situation. Next up, we'll explore another exciting avenue for making money. Leveraging your personality and authenticity to earn just by being yourself online. Third method, content creation. This is where you can really unleash your creativity and build something from the ground up. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, or blogging, these platforms offer incredible opportunities to reach a wide audience. And the best part? They can turn your passion into profit. Imagine getting paid to do what you genuinely love. You don't need fancy gear. That's a common misconception. In fact, your phone and free apps like CapCut are often more than enough to get started and create compelling content. Start a blog on Medium or Substack, sharing your thoughts and expertise with the world. Or create a TikTok in seconds, showcasing your personality and creativity in short, engaging videos. The only real investment here is your time and creativity. It's about putting in the effort to develop your skills and ideas. Make content about what you love. That's where your passion will shine through. Whether it's gaming, fashion, study tips, or just documenting your student life, there's an audience for everything. Consistency is absolutely key. It's what keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. Pick a schedule and stick to it, even when you don't feel like it. Whether it's weekly videos or daily TikToks, find a rhythm that works for you and your audience. Monetize your content through YouTube ads once you meet their eligibility requirements. Explore TikTok's Creator Fund, which rewards creators for their engaging content. Or incorporate affiliate links on your blog, earning a commission for every sale you generate. But the real money often comes from brand deals, where companies pay you to promote their products or services. And selling your own products, like digital downloads or merchandise, can be a fantastic way to generate revenue. All of this becomes possible once you build trust with your audience and establish yourself as a credible voice. Don't get discouraged by low views at first. It's a natural part of the process. Remember, every creator starts at zero. Even the biggest names in the game had to begin somewhere. learn from your analytics, and keep improving your content based on what resonates with your audience. Your phone camera and natural light are enough to create high-quality videos, especially when you're just starting out. Focus on your personality and authenticity. Let your true self shine through in your content. Collaborate with other small creators to grow together, expanding your reach and connecting with new audiences. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Building a successful online presence takes time and dedication. It might take a year or even longer, but the payoff can be life-changing, both financially and personally. You're not just creating content, you're building a brand and a community of like-minded individuals. And that community can pay you for years to come, generating passive income and long-term opportunities. So, pick your platform, pick your passion, and start creating content now. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Your first video will likely be bad, that's okay. But your 100th will be great, and your 1000th will be even better. The key is to keep learning, keep creating, and never quit. That's it! The 3 best ways for students to make money online in 2025 with zero investment. Freelancing, tutoring, and content creation are all proven real strategies. Which one will you start today? The blueprint is here. Take action. Smash that like button, subscribe, and comment which method you're most excited to try. Share your own tips in the comments to help the community. I believe in you. Financial freedom can start right now from your dorm room. Now go make that money. See you in the next video.